Yes. Hey people, so we are at this place called Tara's Kitchen, and wow, you know, we just ordered something known as ratatouille, and this is a okay, so we get it with rice and with bread. So Ayush, if you could yes, if you could just put some in his plate so that you can taste it and let us know how it tastes. And this of course is called makuda, which is you know, it is a Moroccan pakoda really. My son seems to be enjoying it, and of course, my God, this is good. Yeah, first there. Okay, and we need to have that with rice, I think. Yeah, so sweet. So this is made with eggplant and tomato is the base, because Moroccan cuisine, Morocco is said to be the country with the highest tomato export. They are among the top exporters of tomatoes. So this is interesting really, yes. And so that's what we would take a bite of it, and this is pita bread, right? I guess. Oh, this is like a okay. Ayush, what is your opinion of the food, my son?
It's very nice.
Really? Yeah. So this place is worth visiting really. If you were to take a look at it, it's got a very cute and cozy vibe.
Recreate that thing of that chef inside Ratatouille.
Yeah.
He takes a bite and he gets reminded of his childhood.
Okay. Yeah. Even if I were to taste it, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
This is like nice pulao and
Hey, don't say that. This is actually a high quality dish.
yeah, but it's really good. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.